Hi everyone, I hope you're all well and welcome to today's video. In this video, as you can see, I am on the OverTheWire website, specifically the Bandit section. Based on this description, you can already tell that this is some sort of online game, and I have created this video series to take you through what these are and how you would navigate them as far as your Linux journey is concerned. What Bandit is an online game that is structured in a way that you get to learn and practice Linux concepts in a gamified manner. As you can see on my left, there are different levels that are increasingly difficult, and what this does, it helps you to practice the concepts and get to stretch your knowledge a little bit, and as a result you get to improve your skills in Linux. We are going to start with the first level, which is level 0. And as you can already see, each level has been structured in a way where you have the description so that you understand what is expected, you know which commands you're likely to use, and you also have resources down here that you can use to increase your knowledge or to just brush up on your knowledge if you're not familiar with it. We're going to start with this, and we are being told that the goal of this level is for you to log into the game using SSH. We now know that we are being tested on SSH. The host to which you need to connect is this host, and specifically on this port. The username is Bandit0 and the password is again Bandit0. Once logged in, go to level 1 to find out how to beat level 1. Now, this is obviously simple because it is the first level, but also because it is quite straightforward. We know that we need to log in using SSH, and we have all the commands that we need. To do this, all you need to do is to fire up your terminal. I am assuming you're using Linux, so you just use Ctrl-Alt-T. Let me maximize it for a better view. And then all you need to do is to use the command SSH. If you do not know how to use it, then you can also use the manual using the command man and then SSH. It will provide all the information that we need, and you can just go through this. And once you're satisfied, just press Q, and then you can go back to your terminal. Let me just clear this. Now we know that you need to use SSH, so we're going to the SSH command. The user we are logging in as is Bandit0, as we have been told. The username here is Bandit0, and the host is this, so you just need to copy this address. Write @ so it is Bandit0 @ and then paste the host address. We have also been told which port we need to use, so copy that port number. To include the port number in your command, you just use the P switch and then specify which port that is. As for the password, we have it here. We are going to copy it and input it when prompted, so just copy that and hit enter. You will be presented with such an output, and you will also be prompted to enter the password. I will just copy it since I copied it. And as you can see, you now have this output, and even the terminal changes to reflect that you have logged in as Bandit0. That is all is required of you in this level, and feel free to check out these resources to learn more about SSH if you do not know about it, and I will see you in the next level. Thank you. Bye bye.